Hey, so we're here at our Weston project, and I wanted to show you guys something that was a feature that we added in addition to the pool project. So the customer had mentioned to us that they have severe rainwater issues in the backyard. Now, when you have a sand-based paver, that can be a huge issue, and that can create safety hazards. So what we decided, what's best for the customer and what's safest for the customer, is to create a French drain system. So this system is going to take all the water that compiles in the back and take it all the way out front into the drain out front. So as you can see, we started the French drain in the corner of the backyard here. What we're gonna do when we lay the pavers is have everything slope specifically to that. So we're getting all this rainwater to go all the way out to the street. And the reason is because with other drain systems, sometimes the neighbor's yard floods. And we wanna make sure that we properly get this water to where it needs to go, which is the drain out in the street. As you can see, we've now created a trench to be able to divert the water to its proper location, which would be the drainage system out front.